This is SafetyQuip's 50 litre general purpose spill kit. It's one of the most popular spill kits in the SafetyQuip range. It's often used for soaking up oil and other lubricants. The kit comes in a weatherproof bag that's got heavy duty Velcro along the top. The kit is relatively compact. It's often used in heavy vehicles, to be kept in the cab or on the back of utes or trucks to deal with spills that might occur from bobcats and small excavators and leaks from generators and so forth. So it's designed to soak up oil and other lubricants from hard surfaces. So these are the contents for the 50 litre general purpose spill kit. There's an instruction card that tells you how to deal with a spill. That also contains a contents list of the items that should be in the kit, so you can work out if there's things that are missing in the future. This is a floor sweep that would soak up oil or lubricant or whatever off the floor. This is a sock that's used to contain a liquid spill that's travelling along the floor. This is an absorbent pillow that you would place under, say, a leaky machine that's dripping oil. The pillow can soak up a large amount of oil. These are absorbent pads that you would use to wipe down things that have been splashed by oil and lubricants. There's 10 of the pads in the kit. These are contaminated waste bags. There's 3 of them in the kit. There's a dustpan and broom that you would use with the floor sweep. And there's a set of nitrile chemical gloves. The 50 litre general purpose spill kit. Contact your local SafetyQuip branch for further information.